Hello and welcome back, Charlotte here for The Little Paper Tree, and today I'm sharing a very quick autumn card using inks and a stencil from Catherine Pooler. When I say very quick, this card took me less than 10 minutes to make. I hadn't actually planned to make a very quick card. It was only when I looked back at the footage that I realised how quickly I'd made it, so a happy accident there. I'm starting with the Catherine Pooler Marching Leaves stencil, which I've just used some washi tape to hold in place on my card base. The card base is made of Neenah Solar White 110 pound cardstock, and I'm using limoncello ink, which is a nice yellow ink, and an ink blending brush to blend it, starting at the bottom left hand corner and working my way up towards the top right hand corner, but I'm keeping the colour most intense in that bottom left corner and letting it fade out to white as I go across, so I'm not covering the whole card base with this colour. And I didn't realise how reflective my brushes are, so I apologise about the reflection and glare from those. I'm going to cover them with tape or something for future. Once I'd finished with the limoncello, I cleaned my brush off, and then I'm switching to Tutti Frutti, which is kind of a reddy orangey colour. And again, I'm going to work from that bottom left hand corner and come up towards the top right, but I'm not going as far across this time. So it's mixing with the yellow, which makes it oranger, and then it will fade into the yellow and the yellow fades into the white. And again, I'm using a large blending brush and I'm going in circular motions. And I like to tap the excess ink off onto the inside of the lid. That way I can pick up that excess ink again when I need some more ink, which I think works better than tapping it off on the craft mat, because that way I'm not wasting the ink. I can easily pick it up again. And having the stencil tacked down with washi tape, I can easily lift it up on one side like a hinge so that I can check how it's looking and see whether I need to add more colour or not and build up the intensity. So once I was happy with the coverage, I removed my stencil and folded the card, and then I'm going to place it into my MISTI and add a sentiment. This sentiment is from Altenew's Superscript stamp set, and I actually decided to change the orientation of my card and stamp it into the white space that I had left. And I'm going to use Twilight ink, which is another Catherine Pooler ink, to stamp this. The Twilight ink is a nice grey colour. I thought a softer grey would look better than black here, but you could go with black if you prefer. And I will stamp that a couple of times because my ink pad's a little bit dry, because I accidentally left the lid off when I was using it a few times ago. So it's dried up a little bit and I need to get the refill and top it up. As a final touch, I'm going to add some Nuvo Drops. These are limoncello Nuvo Drops. So the same colour name as the yellow ink I used, although they're not actually the same colour. And I will just add 3 of these, and I'm making a visual triangle with them. And that completes my very quick and easy autumn card. I hope you enjoyed it. There are links to the products in the description box below, and you can also find a discount code for shopping at The Little Paper Tree there as well. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this card, and if you've ever made a very quick card like this, or if your cards usually take longer. Mine normally take much longer to make. If you did like this video, please do press the like button to let us know that you'd like to see more similar videos in future. You can also subscribe to my channel and to The Little Paper Tree's channel by clicking the logos showing on screen now, and there's also another video showing there if you'd like to see more from us straight away. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!